Welcome back to Build Your Anatomy. In today's video, we'll explore the transformative power of running for weight loss. I'll share the science behind what 30 minutes of running can do for your body and give you 7 essential rules to maximize your weight loss efforts through running. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner looking to shed some pounds, these insights will guide you to more effective workouts. So make sure to watch until the end. It's going to be informative and inspiring. Let's lace up and dive in. Running is a fantastic way to burn calories and improve overall health. When you run, your body uses significant energy, which helps to normalize metabolism and enhances calorie burning. Running also strengthens muscles, enriches your circulatory system with oxygen, reduces cholesterol levels, and boosts cardiovascular health. These combined effects make running an ideal exercise for those looking to lose weight effectively and sustainably. 7 rules for running to lose weight. Duration and pace. For effective fat burning, aim for at least 50 minutes of running at a moderate pace. Initially, your body uses carbohydrates for energy, and only after about 40 minutes does it begin to burn fat significantly. If you're new to running, start with intervals of jogging and walking, gradually increasing the duration and intensity as your fitness improves. Nutrition matters. Weight loss is not just about exercise, but also about maintaining a caloric deficit. Ensure you're eating a balanced diet that supports your running program without negating your efforts by consuming too many calories. Post-run nutrition is crucial. Replenish your body to aid recovery without overeating. 3. Consistency is key. To effectively lose weight, commit to running at least 3 times a week. Consistent running increases your metabolic rate and deepens your caloric deficit over time. Vary your workouts. Incorporate different types of running workouts into your routine, such as long runs, interval training, and hill workouts. Adding strength training can also enhance muscle mass, further boosting your metabolism. Find joy in the process. Enjoyment is crucial. If you see each run as a chore, it's hard to stay motivated. Find routes you love, listen to music or podcasts, or run with a friend to make the experience more enjoyable. Patience pays off. Understand that safe and healthy weight loss takes time. Typically, a noticeable transformation takes at least 3 months, depending on various personal factors like your initial weight, metabolic rate, and consistency of training, proper technique and recovery. Learn to run with proper form to avoid injuries and improve efficiency. Pay attention to your breathing and make sure to recover adequately between sessions. This includes getting enough rest, staying hydrated, and allowing time for muscle recovery. Monitor your heart rate. Keep your heart rate in the aerobic zone, which is about 70–80% of your maximum heart rate, 220 minus your age. This ensures you are burning fat effectively. Choose the right gear. Invest in high-quality running shoes with good cushioning to protect your joints, especially if you're carrying extra weight. Run on soft surfaces. To minimize impact on your joints, choose paths with softer surfaces like parks or running tracks. Consult with a professional. Especially if you have significant weight to lose or if you have any health concerns, it's wise to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new exercise regimen. Running can significantly transform your body and health when approached correctly. By following these 7 rules, you can enhance your running sessions to not only lose weight, but also gain strength, endurance, and confidence. Remember, the journey to weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, patient, and positive, and you'll see remarkable results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fitness tips from Build Your Anatomy. Keep pushing, keep running, and build the best version of yourself.